chosen one. Do you not feel that stirring within your soul? This is the whisper of an ancient truth, a divine flame kindling in the core of your being. It's a pulse, a rhythm, a vibration that resonates with the cosmic heartbeat. It is the drumming echo of your awakening. This awakening, it's not an echo of past lives, not a simple rerun of an old script. No, it's far more profound. This is a resurrection, an emergence from a sacred sleep, a blossoming of the soul that has been cocooned in divine wisdom, protected and nurtured for this very moment in time, this cosmic now. You are not here by chance or by accident. You have been chosen, selected with care by celestial hands, to arise at this pivotal moment in history. You are the returning child of a divine mother, an ethereal goddess who has cradled you in her arms, protecting you from worldly corruption, preparing you for this exact moment in cosmic history. Your awakening is a powerful re-entry, a divine homecoming. It's the dawn after the darkest night, the first breath after a long sleep, the phoenix rising from the ashes. It's a sacred mission, a celestial calling, a divine purpose that has been etched into your soul since the beginning of time. You see, you carry within you an ancient rhythm, a divine tempo that bridges lost civilizations and cosmic wisdom. You are the living embodiment of a great prophecy, a beacon of hope, a herald of renewal. You are the chosen one, not by accident but by divine design. This awakening, it's a journey, a pilgrimage towards your true self. It's a voyage into the depths of your soul, an exploration of your divine heritage. It's about shedding the layers of illusion, peeling back the veils of ignorance, and stepping fully into your power. It's about embracing the balance of light and shadow, harmonizing mind, body, and spirit, and stepping boldly into your divine potential. It's about confronting your shadows, shedding false identities, and embodying your full divine essence. This awakening, dear one, is your divine re-entry into this world. You are no ordinary being, chosen one. You are the returning child of a divine mother. Your existence is not the product of mere chance. Rather, it's an orchestrated symphony of countless celestial forces, a sacred design that has been carefully woven through the fabric of the universe. You are a divine soul reborn, not by accident, but by design. Your rebirth is a divine re-entry into this cosmos, signaled by a divine beacon that illuminates the path for your sacred mission. As the returning child of a divine mother, you carry an ancient bloodline that is as old as the universe itself. This bloodline is not just a lineage of earthly ancestors, but a divine heritage that bridges the wisdom of lost civilizations and the mysteries of cosmic wisdom. It's a golden thread that connects you to the stars and the planets, to the galaxies and the cosmos, and to the divine essence that permeates all of creation. Your bloodline transcends time and space, connecting you to the ancient and to the future, to the seen and to the unseen, to the material and to the spiritual. This divine bloodline is the sacred conduit through which ancient wisdom and divine essence flow, nourishing your soul and igniting your divine purpose. The wisdom of this bloodline is not just an inheritance, it's a legacy that you are destined to carry forward, to expand upon, and to share with the world. You are the torchbearer of this ancient wisdom, the custodian of this divine essence. This is why you are here. This is why you have returned. You are not here to blend in, to conform, or to live an ordinary life. You are here to awaken, to remember, and to fulfill your divine purpose. You are here to honor your divine heritage, to embody your divine essence, and to share your divine wisdom with the world. Remember, chosen one, you are the living embodiment of a great prophecy, a prophecy that heralds the renewal of truth and awakening on earth. You are the living prophecy, the bearer of ancient wisdom and divine essence. Your journey, chosen one, is one of light and shadow. This path you tread is not one of ease, but of courage and resilience. It is a journey filled with moments of introspection and confrontation, where you will meet your inner demons in the eye and acknowledge your false identities. Just as the sun casts a shadow, your light, too, comes with its darkness. This is not a burden to carry, rather it is a balance to strike. It is through the dance of light and shadow that you will discover your true self, the self that has been hidden beneath layers of societal conditioning and self-doubt. The shadows are not your enemy, dear one. They are a part of you, a part that needs acceptance and understanding. Confronting them is not a battle, but a process of healing. You have within you the power to heal, to transform the shadows into light. Embrace this power, for it is a part of your divine heritage. Just as a seed must shed its outer shell to grow into a tree, you too must shed your false identities. These are the masks you've worn to fit in, to be accepted, to survive. But you, chosen one, are not here merely to survive. You are here to thrive, to bloom, and to awaken. This journey, dear one, is not just of the spirit, but of the mind and body as well. They are not separate entities, but interconnected aspects of your being. The mind with its thoughts and beliefs, the body with its sensations and experiences, the spirit with its intuition and wisdom. Harmonizing these three aspects is essential in your journey towards awakening. Through meditation, through mindfulness, through conscious living, you can achieve this harmony. You can tune into the rhythm of your being, aligning your thoughts, actions, and essence with the cosmic flow. This harmony is not a destination, but a state of being, a way of life. This inner work, dear one, is your path to embodying your full divine potential. Your awakening, chosen one, is not just about you. It's a clarion call that reverberates far and wide, touching the hearts and minds of countless souls across our planet. You see, your spiritual renaissance is a beacon, a lighthouse in the stormy sea of collective consciousness, guiding others to the shore of their own divine self-discovery. Your journey of rebirth is a testament to the power of transformation, and the world is watching. Every step you take into the light, every shadow you confront and integrate, serves as a roadmap for others to follow. And as you rise, so too does humanity. You are not just a person on a spiritual journey, you are a catalyst for global awakening, a living prophecy heralding a new era of truth and unity. As you embrace your divine heritage and walk in your power, you inspire others to do the same. You show them that it's possible to shed the false identities that have confined them, to harmonize their mind, body, and spirit, and to step fully into their divine potential. Your voice, your presence, your very existence are a clarion call for change. You are the spark that sets the world alight, igniting the flame of awakening in the hearts of millions. And this flame, once ignited, spreads like wildfire, transforming not just individuals but entire societies, cultures, and ultimately our world. The ripple effect of your awakening is profound. It transcends borders and barriers, reaching into every corner of our globe. It brings hope to those who have lost it, courage to those who need it, and a sense of purpose to those who seek it. Your resurrection is not just a personal triumph, it's a global victory. It's a signal to the universe that we as a global community are ready to rise, to awaken, to remember who we truly are. And it all starts with you, chosen one. Your journey, your awakening, your rise is the dawn of a new spiritual era, an era of enlightenment, of unity, of love. Your rise will spark a ripple effect, awakening others and transforming the world. The time is now, chosen one. This is not a moment to shy away from your destiny. It is the moment to embrace it. The cosmos has been waiting for your awakening, and you are now ready to step into your divine mission. You are the returning child, the bearer of an ancient divine bloodline, the living prophecy. You've journeyed through the shadows and emerged into the light, carrying within you the wisdom of lost civilizations and the power to spark a global awakening. Remember, your resurrection is not a cycle of reincarnation, but a powerful re-entry with a sacred mission. It's a divine design that has been waiting for this exact moment in cosmic history. Your purpose is not merely to exist, but to incite a cosmic ripple that will inspire transformation and unity across the globe. Your voice, your presence, your spirit, all are catalysts for this global awakening. The world is ready to hear your truth, to feel your light, and to embrace the changes you are destined to bring forth. But remember, this journey is not without its challenges. You will face resistance, doubt, and fear. But do not let these deter you. They are but shadows that will only make your light shine brighter. Your inner work is your most potent tool. Your ability to balance light and shadow, to harmonize mind, body, and spirit, will enable you to embody your full divine potential. Your awakening is not just about you. It's about fulfilling ancient prophecies of renewal and impacting collective consciousness. Your rise will spark a ripple effect, inspiring others to awaken and remember their divine essence. The time is now. The cosmos is ready. The prophecy is in motion. It is time to step into your power and fulfill your divine mission. You are the chosen one, the returning child, the beacon of hope. Embrace your sacred task, chosen one, for you are the beacon of hope in the unfolding cosmic story.